Welcome to another episode of Becker's Easy Eats. Today, we shall be making oven-fried chicken.
Oh, chicken again. We already had chicken last week.
I'm sure it's a different chicken this time. It will be super delicious as always.
Oven-fried chicken is so easy to do and is perfect for busy weekday dinner. Here are the ingredients. For this recipe, we are using chicken breast without skin. Of course, you can use skin on chicken breast or even chicken thighs if you wish. My dancing sous chef shall now make small cuts on the chicken. Then marinating them on yogurt to ensure they stay juicy and succulent through the cooking process. Next, we shall prepare the simple but flavorful breading for our chicken. Mix together panko breadcrumbs, garlic powder, onion powder, salt and pepper, dried thyme, and paprika. Completely coat each chicken breast with the bread mixture. Set them in a wire rack over your baking dish. Now, we are ready to oven fry the chicken in 220 degrees Celsius preheated oven.
Hello, Russell here. Remember to give that like button a big bear hug. Drop a comment, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more fuzzy contents. And don't forget to boop that bell so you don't miss a single snuggle.
20 minutes later.
Serve your oven-fried chicken with roasted potatoes and salad greens. See how easy it is to make it? Thank you very much for watching. Join me next week for another episode of Becker's Easy Eats. Please support this plushy channel by buying me a coffee.
Looks super delicious.
I told you, it's going to be awesome.
Thanks, Becker.
Thank you, Becker.
Hello, I'm Cornelius. Have you seen my movie? No, you haven't? Well, you really should. Your favorite plushie star in this movie. It is about friendship, family, and love. You can watch it right here, or you can watch other Becker's video recipes.